Right, okay, hello everyone, welcome back to part 2 of quick dent pulling, repair, get your dent out video. So basically here we've got a nasty dent in our 106 bumper, and so in this video we're going to use a big airbag from a BMW, but depending on what you're doing, basically you could even take the airbag out of your car that you're driving, depending on if you feel like you'd rather have less dents and no life when you crash. So that's up to you. So basically I'm going to get this airbag and I'm just going to insert it up here just underneath the dent, and you really want to localise it to behind the dent as much as you really can. Right, number 2, we've got our detonation battery here. We're going to follow our wires and we're just going to close the boot just so we don't get any dirt or debris in there. Right. Thanks for watching.